Hey, beautiful souls, and welcome back to the official yoga page of Forestri Health. I'm Jasmine, and today we will be going over downward dog and transition into dolphin pose. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get updates on my newest videos. Today, we'll be starting with downward dog. Downward dog pose or downward facing dog pose is an inversion asana that stretches the whole body on all fours. Downward dog stretches the hamstrings, calves, ankles, and feet while opening up the chest and shoulders. Because you're supporting your own weight, downward dog helps to strengthen your shoulders, arms, and wrists. This pose also helps with blood circulation since your heart is above your head. This increases blood flow. The downward dog pose also helps with improving your posture by straightening your vertebrae and aligning your spine. So if you're looking for a yoga pose that will strengthen your muscles and help with flexibility, this is the pose for you. So let's begin. You will start on all fours in a tabletop position with your knees and hands hip width apart. Make sure your shoulders are above your wrists and that your hips are aligned with your knees to form a 90-degree angle. Then you're going to place your toes onto the mat while lifting your knees up off the floor. Slowly extend your legs and arms until you are in an upside down V position while keeping a slight bend in your knees. Keep your head relaxed and centered between your arms. To feel the stretch in this pose, you will want to lengthen your spine so that your glutes are fully extended towards the ceiling. Make sure your shoulders are back and down so that you aren't squishing your shoulders into your ears or straining your back. Place your weight into your palms and the balls of your feet to keep your balance. We're going to hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now to get out of the pose, bend your knees and elbows and slowly lower your body back onto the mat. Untuck your toes and come back to tabletop position. And that is how you do downward dog. Now let's move on to dolphin pose. Similar to downward dog, the dolphin pose can help lengthen and strengthen the spine, including the neck muscles. Dolphin pose can strengthen the core, arms, legs, hamstrings, calves, and feet. The dolphin pose can stretch the arm muscles and open the shoulders. This pose can relieve headaches, back pain, fatigue, stress, insomnia, and mild symptoms of depression. You will start on the mat in a tabletop position with your knees aligned to your hips and your shoulders aligned with your wrist. For spatial awareness and balance, you can fold your arms on top of each other, then extend your forearms in front of you and clasp your hands together in a V shape. You can keep your hands clasped together or straighten both of them in front of you. Then curl your toes under you onto the mat and lift your knees up off the floor. Lengthen your tailbone to the ceiling and straighten your legs while keeping a slight bend in the knees. Actively press your forearms onto the floor and keep your shoulders back and down. Keep your head relaxed and hanging in between your upper arms. If your legs are feeling strained, you can always bend your knees while keeping your body lifted and then extend them again when you feel comfortable. We're going to hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now, to get out of the pose, bend your knees and slowly lower your body back onto the mat into tabletop position. And that is how you do dolphin pose.